I love a good no-bake dessert, and I love eclairs. That's how I came up with this, because I love eclairs, but I want a big old pan full of them. So this is super easy. It's very few ingredients, and y'all are just going to love it, honey. So I just take some pudding mix, some peanut butter, and the good thing is, honey, it all goes in one bowl, and you mix it all up together.
Oh, dang, that's awesome. That's great.
I know,
Bonus.
It's less less dishes to do. And then you just put in some cream cheese and some half and half. And honey, they ain't nothing as good as good old half and half. And milk, you can use milk if you want to in this, but I love the half and half because it makes it creamier. But it's all about the quick, the easy. I don't have to bake something. I've got company coming in 6 hours. It only takes 3 hours to set up the refrigerator. The longest thing you're going to have is saying, Lord, I'm so hungry, I got to wait on it to set up. And then you just take some whipped cream, honey. I call it whipped cream. A lot of people in the South. That's right, honey. Got to have your whipped cream, honey. They ain't nothing like. Now they say, "Oh, honey, it's whipped cream." I say, "No, sugar, it ain't whipped cream. It's whipped cream because it's that good."
Yes, it's whoop. It's whoop good.
That's right. It's whoop good. Is right. You can't get nothing better than whipped cream. All right. So then all we do is you just take a 9x13 and you have graham crackers. So this makes your crust, and then you put half of this mixture in there and spread it out. And then you're going to take more graham crackers and you're making a second layer, because you got to have a lot of layers of that crunchy stuff.
I love me a graham cracker. I do. It's like a tiramisu. It's like a pick-me-up.
Yeah, as I call them, terrible food, honey. I love me a good terrible food. And then you just put, let's fling it everywhere. So then you just put the rest of that filling right on top. I'm telling you, it's so quick, you're going to love this. And then you just spread it out, and it gets that crunchy peanut butter. I'm a smooth peanut butter person, but I love the crunchy peanut butter because it adds that texture to it. And then you just put more graham crackers right on top, just like that. I mean, see how quick and easy it is? I love it.
Look at you go. Look at you go in like moments.
In moments, honey, like a flash of light, honey. And so then you just take a can of frosting, just chocolate frosting, honey, and you just microwave it a few minutes, or as we say in the South.
And dump it around. Yep, there you go.
Yep. And then once you get it all out there, because, honey, they say, oh, don't buy that pre-made stuff. But listen, if most of it's homemade, then you can splurge on a little bit of the store-bought stuff. And then you just smooth it out right over the top. Honey, you're covering all that good stuff up. So this is that chocolate layer. Get on that.
Look at that.
There,
Come on.
Silky, smooth chocolate. Lord, honey. And then after you put it in the refrigerator and it comes out, it looks just like that. But, honey, we ain't done with the get sugar.
No, of course not. Of course not. Because you got to have the crunch.
Inside and out, honey. And then you just rough chop some peanuts. I use a dry roasted peanut because I want that little extra saltiness to it.
I love dry roasted peanuts with all the flavor.
Yes, honey, you got to have them. That's the perfect ones to have. And I'm telling you what, listen, they'll think you spent days making this. You take this to a potluck, honey, or take it down to the
and you are
the
done.
Church dinners.
You are done.
You're
drop
done.
the mic. Drop the mic.
Is. It's so awesome. Listen, I'm telling you what, when I cut this out, Rachel, honey, your mouth's going to be watering. You're going to wish you was here to eat you a big piece of this sugar. And then you just scoop it out.
You are the most adorable human being. I love you, my friend. You are amazing.
I love you too. And honey, you
take a bite. Take a bite. I can't take the bite. You got to take the bite for me.
I'm going to take a big bite, honey, because I'll get it up on that.
Get it. Thank you, Jason. JS, you're the best.